Welcome to the Vanda Chef channel. My name is Shinta Faith Manani. I am a 25-year-old female chef who's about to graduate from culinary school. So this channel is going to be focused on how to cook and how to make things, such as cooking pancakes, baking some sauces, and baking as well. I'm also going to be testing out some viral food videos that I've seen on social media, such as Instagram and Facebook, and some of the first ones that I see on like YouTube as well that are also doing very well, that are viral ones that I also want to see if they actually work, and maybe those can be new techniques that I put into my cooking. On a Friday, I'm going to be doing more on a get to know me type of like videos, like how I chose to be a chef, why I chose to be a chef, why cooking is important to me, how I came to this stage, leaving varsity. How was it scary? Was it good? Was I happy? Why did I leave varsity? And my journey through trying to get a job as well as a young female chef, trying to get a job in South Africa in the hospitality industry. And also on the Friday as well, I'm also gonna be looking into some of my favorite chefs' recipes, like Jamie Oliver, and we're gonna be also looking at Gordon Ramsay, Sibeteru South African, and some of those celebrity chefs, and I will just testing out their recipes because I've always loved to try some of them. Some of them I have tried and they have worked, some of them haven't worked for me. So here we're gonna be testing them out together. So I would love for you to come on this wonderful, interesting journey with me. So people, comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification button to see when I post my new and interesting videos. Till next time, the Vanda Chef signing off. Bye bye.